What's going on, guys? Johnny over here at TorcUP, and today I'm going to be showing you the brand new TorcUP AutoMAX pump. Let's get into it. So you may be asking yourself, what's different about the AutoMAX versus your typical EMAX and AMAX pumps? Let's show you. So right here on the left side of my pendant, you'll see an auto cycle button. And on the right side, you'll see your normal advanced button. And all the way at the top, you'll see a red button. The auto button is for your auto cycling mode. You'll hold the button down, the tool will torque back and forth, and at the end, it'll do some short burst rapid stroke hits, notifying you that the tool has reached its maximum torque. If you want to check that torque, you'll hold down the advanced button, and just like your typical EMAX pump, you can check to verify that the tool has in fact reached torque. When you finish, you hit the red button, which will shut down your pump and cease the operation. So for setting the pressure on your pump, you're going to want to hold down your advanced button with the tool off the application. You're going to then dial the PSI up until you see your desired PSI. Let's say mine was 4,000. If you do not hold the button down, you're not going to see it increase. I'll now show you. Now that our pressure's been set, you can install the tool onto the application and begin torquing. So you may be asking yourself, is this something that's limited to just the TX? No. You can use it with your TX, TXU, SQ, TU, any of our hydraulic tools the AutoMAX will work with. If you guys have any other questions, drop it in the comments below or reach out to us at 610-250-5800. Have a good day.